Understanding cash flow is the secret to managing your personal or business finances effectively. Let us break down what it actually means. Cash flow is simply the net amount of cash and cash equivalents being transferred into and out of an account over time. It is a simple equation. Positive cash flow means you have more money coming in than going out, which is the goal. Your inflows are your sources of income, while your outflows are the expenses that drain that pool of money each month. Don't confuse cash flow with profit. Profit is an accounting figure, while cash flow is the actual movement of money in your pocket. In this example, the surplus of $800 represents positive cash flow, allowing you to save or invest for the future. Keep a close eye on your numbers. Small changes in spending habits can lead to significant improvements in your overall financial health. Thanks for watching. Mastering cash flow is a key step toward financial independence. Subscribe for more simple money guides.